Hello, and welcome to Fluent Slowly, the English podcast. I'm Esma, and I'm very happy you are here today. This is a slow English listening practice for beginners. Please relax, sit comfortably, and take a slow breath in and out. In this podcast, you will listen to 100 daily English sentences. I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, I will repeat it 2 times. You can listen or you can repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning routine. First, listen carefully and then repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I feel fresh and calm. I feel fresh and calm. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I prepare my breakfast. I prepare my breakfast. I eat my breakfast slowly. I eat my breakfast slowly. I enjoy my morning meal. I enjoy my morning meal. I check the time. I check the time. I get ready for the day. I get ready for the day. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. I think about my plans. I think about my plans. I feel positive today. I feel positive today. I smile softly. I smile softly. My day begins peacefully. My day begins peacefully. Part 2. Daily activities. I leave my home calmly. I leave my home calmly. I walk slowly on the road. I walk slowly on the road. I look around me. I look around me. I see people and cars. I see people and cars. I listen to the sounds around me. I listen to the sounds around me. I reach my workplace or school. I reach my workplace or school. I greet people politely. I greet people politely. I start my work. I start my work. I focus on my tasks. I focus on my tasks. I take short breaks. I take short breaks. I drink water regularly. I drink water regularly. I eat my lunch on time. I eat my lunch on time. I enjoy my food. I enjoy my food. I talk with others kindly. I talk with others kindly. I work step by step. I work step by step. I stay calm and patient. I stay calm and patient. I learn new things. I learn new things. I try my best. I try my best. I complete my work. I complete my work. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. Part 3. Evening routine. I return home in the evening. I return home in the evening. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I relax for a while. I relax for a while. I sit quietly. I sit quietly. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I drink tea or water. I drink tea or water. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I share my day. I share my day. I listen to others carefully. I listen to others carefully. I feel comfortable at home. I feel comfortable at home. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I eat dinner slowly. I eat dinner slowly. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. I clean my space. I clean my space. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I check my phone briefly. I check my phone briefly. I limit screen time. I limit screen time. I prepare for rest. I prepare for rest. My evening is calm. My evening is calm. Part 4. Feelings and Learning. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel calm and peaceful. I feel calm and peaceful. I am thankful for today. I am thankful for today. I accept my feelings. I accept my feelings. I do not rush myself. I do not rush myself. I believe in slow progress. I believe in slow progress. I am learning English slowly. I am learning English slowly. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I speak English with confidence. I speak English with confidence. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I repeat when needed. I repeat when needed. I understand more than before. I understand more than before. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. I stay patient. I stay patient. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. English feels easier now. English feels easier now. I trust the process. I trust the process. I continue learning calmly. I continue learning calmly. Part 5. Night Routine. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I lie down on my bed. I lie down on my bed. I feel safe and relaxed. I feel safe and relaxed. I think about good moments. I think about good moments. I let go of stress. I let go of stress. I breathe slowly. I breathe slowly. I close my eyes gently. I close my eyes gently. My body feels calm. My body feels calm. My mind feels quiet. My mind feels quiet. I am ready to sleep. I am ready to sleep. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. I will try again tomorrow. I will try again tomorrow. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am thankful for learning English. I am thankful for learning English. Slow learning works for me. Slow learning works for me. I enjoy this journey. I enjoy this journey. I feel peaceful now. I feel peaceful now. Good night and sweet dreams. Very nice. You did a wonderful job today. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Slow practice brings strong results. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.